in this sacred space. Through valleys deep and peaks so tall, we stand together strong, we won't fall. We won't fall. Flags are waving in the morning light, an anthem that goes through the endless night. Tales of courage in our hearts we'll keep. For freedom's dream we wake from sleep. Flags are waving in the morning light, an anthem that goes through the endless night. Tales of courage in our hearts we'll keep. For freedom's dream we wake from sleep. Happy Republic Day, my brave Mytravellites, marching forward, soaring heights. With every step we carve our tale, unity and honor will prevail. Heroes rise in the morning mist, with every heartbeat freedom persists. Our lineage born of strength and pride, hand in hand we stand side by side. Trumpets call and drums declare, victory is ours in the open air. Our lineage born of strength and pride, hand in hand we stand side by side. Trumpets call and drums declare, victory is ours in the open air. United hearts our furthest right, from dawn to dusk we hold the light. Happy Republic Day, my brave Mytravellites, marching forward, soaring heights. With every step we carve our